Today I'm going to talk about the website Glogster.com. Glogster is an interactive presentation website. It's not like Prezi where it's more set up in a PowerPoint type of style. It's more of an interactive poster. And the posters they call glogs. So after you've registered, and you can register as a teacher or a student, your homepage is going to look like this. There's a couple features that I want to point out. Right here are all the glogs that you've made, and it can show you if they're finished, unfinished, or if you made them known to the public or you kept them private. Below that is your favorite glogs. A cool feature of Glogster.com is you can search for public glogs other teachers, students have made. It's a great resource if you want to teach a specific science concept or an event in history. There are a lot of well-made glogs on the website that are great to borrow and use for classroom purposes. It's a great resource for students also, but we're going to focus on creating a new glog today. So click the green button, Create New Glog. There are some pre-made formats to the right, and to the left they're more bare. And I like using the bare formatted templates because you can add your own personality to them. So I'm going to go ahead and start by deleting all of this stuff off the page. The cool thing with Glogster is you can move things around, you can rotate, and if you don't like it, you can easily trash it. So we're going to start from scratch. There are a lot of features that I would like to go over. First, there's your text, and there are a ton of different text boxes to choose from. So find one that you like, click it once, and then click Use It. So I'm going to look for a couple that I like. Then there is a graphic feature where they have different graphics already on the site for you to use. This is a good alternative to clip art or going to Google Images constantly trying to find more graphics. But if there's a specific graphic you really want to add to your presentation, there under Image you can upload images saved to your computer. So you can upload them, click them, press open, they'll upload. I already have one image saved, so I'm just going to use that for my little presentation. You can change wall and page color. You also have the option of uploading images to use for your page background and your wall background. But I'm just going to use some solid colors to keep it simple. The features that I really like are the audio and video features. It allows you to upload MP3s to use. I've already uploaded one, so I'll just use that. And for videos, you can upload your personal videos, but it's also directly linked to YouTube. So you can search, use a keyword to search, find a video you want to use, and it will load directly to your page. Data, you can use programs like Excel to upload data that you have, but I'm going to go ahead and skip that. So everything that you click on to use for your page can be moved around. You can expand it, you can make it smaller. So here we go. A lot of stuff on this page. To edit your text, you double click the box. You can change the font, change the color. When you're done editing the text, you can just X out of the change text box. Double click again. I teach reading, so I like to use Glogster for book report types of presentations. I like to use it for author studies. But I have seen many awesome presentations created for science and social studies too. So when you get to a point where you need to stop editing your Glogster, or you think it looks great and you're done editing, go up to the pink button that says Save. You're going to make a name for your glog. And then it's going to lead you to another page or another box that's really cool. You can tag your glog with information about what subject your glog's related to, what grade it's related to. So since I'm a reading teacher, I'm just going to say language arts. I teach 6th grade. You can also tag your glog using keywords found in your glog. It gives you your glog URL, which is great for if you just want your students to create one and not present it. They can just send you the link to look at. Privacy, you can make it public so everyone on the internet can see it, or you can click just finished, which makes it private. Unfinished means it's private and you still have to do some work on it. So I'm just going to say it's finished, I'm happy with it, and click finish saving. So this gives you an opportunity to copy the link down. I'm going to go to view this glog though. And if you're confused about or question whether you saved it as private or public, once you view it as others will view it, it gives you a little box that will say finish, unfinished, private, or public. You can make it full screen too. So there's my entire glog. You can also just scroll down the screen. The video, you can just press play. When you're done or need to stop, pause or stop. Pretty simple. And then the music too, if you want to play it, you can just press play, and when you're done with it, just press pause. Glogster is a great site for both students and teachers to use. It's interactive. It's easy to find glogs if you just get the link. It's a good tool for presentation usages. I enjoy using it a lot. I made a couple glogs for college that were fairly simple because was before the audio and video was made an option on Glogster. So I made one on reading comprehension. So it's a lot of just different backgrounds and text boxes. This one has a couple more graphics. And if you have your students that like things themed, they have themed backgrounds that go with specific graphics and text boxes. So you can end up getting some really nice presentations. You do have the Explore option if you go to glogster.com/explore. Here you can just search Glogster for specific things, a subject, keywords. I'm searching book reports. So let's see if this one will pop up. Here's a simple book report on Artemis Fowl. So if you are having to design a book report for class, you might want to go to Explore and look to see what some students did for their book reports. You can do that with science, social studies, math. There are many glogs for many different subjects. So this is a great site to explore and to play around with. Happy glogging!